welcome to the Gellyfish YouTube channel. Today we're gonna look at some 3D printing hacks for Gelsoft. Number 1. Gel Ball Scoop. You can drain the excess water out, and then it works just as like speed loader tube, helping reloading easily. Number 2. Hi-Capa magazine baseplate. I like my magazine to be standable, and I trim it to allow easy access for the green gas refill nozzle. Next, number 3. MOLLE Ready HPA line clip. If you don't like having your HPA line hanging loose during break time while in the green zone, the back of clip goes onto your chest rig or vest. Next, number 4. Thread protector for HPA tank regulator. Quite self-explanatory, it protects the thread when the tank is not being used. Number 5. Some portable box for the battery. Oh, that's empty. So sometimes you have a headset or some electronic equipment require battery. Will be handy to carry some battery using the box. Next, number 6. Various camera mounts. You could have Picantinny version or perhaps Beavertail NVG version for a tactical helmet or paintball mask style like a Dye i5. It's handy to have camera mounts. Number 7. If you don't have integrated Hopup barrel, you can print Hopup that goes onto your barrel end tip. Number 8. Some reference cards. For example, I have a gel ball size card checks from 7 mils up to 7.5. This is the object sizing reference guide at different distances. Number 9. If you plan to add melee play with some style in your game, you can print some mock-up melee toys. A quick shout out to those designers and makers in the community. And also, you can print display stand to go with your collection. Next, number 10. Blaster display stands for rifle. So it will look like that. And also, you could go for different integrated solution that go with IKEA SKADIS, for example. So it will look like that. For pistol storage, you can go for modular solution or go for a custom style solution. For example, this is a TTI Pit Viper display stand. You put them together on the shelf, or you can put them into a carry box solution as well. Some extra hacks: mag terminals and T-piece. This is quite handy when you have a project that uses different makes of upper and a low receiver. Or maybe your gearbox and the internal specification alignments are very different to the retail products. That's it! Thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe for future episodes.